Welcome back to the KOM Morning News, and it is a Wildcat Wednesday. We're fortunate enough to be joined by both James Coover and Wendy Powell from the Kansas State Extension Office. Thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate it. Now, usually I put you on the spot and ask you questions, but I understand this morning we're opening up with you putting me on the spot with a little game show.
Yes. I'm James Coover. I'm the crop production agent for the Wildcat District.
I'm Wendy Powell. I'm the livestock production agent for the district.
And today we're going to play a game show. Is that fence legal? Are you ready?
Yeah. I just hope like nobody comes, running in saying things that I'm saying are illegal.
Okay. Well, it's legal or not legal. And so, in Kansas law, a lot of these laws were formed a long time ago. And we have a very specific definition of what kind of fence is legal and which one does not qualify as a legal fence. And so we're going to see if you know your Kansas fence laws. All right?
Okay.
Our first one is this beautiful stone fence here.
Okay.
It is 4 feet tall. This is probably not close to that, but let's say it's 4 feet tall.
Right.
18 inches at the bottom and 12 inches at the top.
Okay, very specific. I like that.
So that is our stone fence. Second up here, we have our barbed wire fence.
Okay.
Now, the fence is 20 inches from the bottom, if this post was in the ground, and 46 inches at the top.
All right.
2-strand barbed wire fence.
Okay.
Now, for our third fence here, we have a single-strand electric fence. And this is a 14-gauge equivalent wire. We have a stranded fabric wire here. And this is just one strand, but it's electrified. So here are 3 fences. Now, what do you think? Which ones are legal?
I think the stones. So it'd be like if I'm facing the screen, I think the stone one is illegal, and then the barbed wire and the electric are legal.
Okay. Right here.
Right. Am I right?
All right. Is this what you're sticking with?
Yes. Final answer, okay. Regis.
We got our Vivian light here.
All right.
Here's the first one.
Oh.
The stone one is legal, which means the other 2 not legal. And the legal fence.
So in other words, I am not going to become your honorary fencing expert at the K-State Extension Office.
Not technically. So technically speaking, the fence viewers by Kansas law are actually the county commissioners. And so they can legally define what is a fence and what is not a fence. And so it's one of the very odd jobs that county commissioners have. And so the reason why this fence is not legal, because in Kansas law, it actually has to be 3 strands rather than just 2. And so, but this electric one, as long as you have 1 electric wire, it's a legal fence.
That's what I think. That's why I felt good about my electric. I felt good about my electric fence one. I was torn between the other 2.
Yeah. It is hard because this one looks the most robust.
It does. See, that's what I went. I did go with the optics. But here's the great thing about it. If you have any questions and you're watching us this morning, all you do is you call the K-State Extension Office and you ask for James or Wendy and you say, hey, because Hayslip's an idiot, I want to make sure my fence is legal, and they're going to help you out. I want to thank you both for joining us, Wendy Powell and James Coover here on Wildcat Wednesday. Once again, if you have any questions about the land lease survey, don't hesitate to give them a call. Or, as I learned, if you have any questions about fencing, thank you, both of you.
Thank you.
I would change that fence at home now. More KOM Morning News right after this.